Looking to invest in real estate in 2025? Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, these 5 U.S. cities offer the best opportunities for growth, rental income, and long-term value. Number 5. Tampa, Florida. With a booming job market, no state income tax, and steady population growth, Tampa has become a hotspot for both short-term rentals and long-term property appreciation. Charlotte ranks number 4. It's one of the fastest-growing metro areas in the U.S., with strong banking and tech sectors driving demand for housing. Average home prices are still affordable compared to other large cities. Number 3. Boise. Yes, Idaho. Known for its quality of life and low crime rate, Boise continues to attract remote workers and out-of-state buyers. It's great for buy-and-hold investors. Dallas takes the second spot. It offers a diverse economy, massive infrastructure development, and a growing renter population. Plus, Texas has no state income tax. A win for landlords. And number 1, Nashville. This music city isn't just about tunes, it's becoming a real estate powerhouse. Young professionals, artists, and investors are flocking here. Expect high rental demand and rising home values. Which of these cities would you invest in? Drop your pick in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate insights every week.